Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a little 90s inspired look, and I was also inspired by Leah J. I'll put a picture right here so you guys can kind of see the look that I was going for. I didn't get it 100% accurate because I feel like the hair needs to be a little bit longer, but I did what I could. This video is in collaboration with Ms Lynn Hair. So I'll have all their information linked down below in my description box, as well as a direct link to this hair. It's super affordable. So with all that being said, let's just hop right into today's video.
Exploring this life is just what we're supposed to do. You're a temptation, can I get next to you? We do it right, something like the Huxtables. We shine that light like we clearing cliff. You jump off the edge, bet I'm off the cliff. Got that ghetto love on some Bonnie and Clyde shit. If we rob the bank, you gon' spark the fifth. Life is a journey and we made it this far. Love's a battlefield, you and I in this war. If you roll my blunt and I like the spliff, or I bust a...
As you guys can see, the install process is effortless. This hair is by Ms Lynn Hair. Again, you can purchase this unit by checking the description box. All links will be in there. It is an 18-inch 4x4 lace closure wig. I had a clip of me adding the dark roots. I don't know if you can tell like that, but I went and added some dark roots using a mascara and some dark brown eyeshadow because I wanted to look really natural, and I think I did a great job at that. Now I'm going in, adding some layers, as you guys can see. This is a 427 highlight closure wig. It's 150% density, and the only thing I would have wished is if this was like 180% density, especially for the style I was attempting to achieve. But other than that, I don't have any complaints. I didn't get any tangling. I did get some light shedding. This is a straight out the pack install, so keep that in mind. The hair didn't have any foul smell.
Please, babe. Got a nigga begging, please, babe. Knowing you don't wanna leave, babe. Got a nigga begging, please stay. That's on God. That's on God. Girls gon' wild, girls gon' wild. All I see is you, is you. On God. Girls gon' wild, girls gon' wild. All I see is you.
I'm just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route.
And there you have it. I think it came together nicely. Y'all will have to let me know how you feel about this 90s inspired sleek straight look with the layers and everything going on. I really like the way it came out, especially with this color combo. I love the way the dark roots gravitated into the color. It wasn't too harsh or anything. I really love it. Y'all chime in down below and let me know how you feel. Again, all links to purchase this unit will be in my description box. Make sure you check out Ms Lynn Hair, and until my next video, I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Bye.
Girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All them other chicks be hating. All I want is you.